I'm Steve Maskery. When you buy a new bandsaw blade, like this one, it will come folded into loops of 3 or 5. That means there is a great deal of pent-up energy in this coiled spring. And if I try to unfold it in my hands and it explodes and hits me in the face, it's going to jolly well hurt. So I don't even try to do that. I just let it explode safely on the floor. To fold the bandsaw blade up again, we need to learn 3 basic hand positions. The first is presenting an offering. The second is holding a steering wheel, and the third is holding handlebars. Offering, steering wheel, handlebars. If you can do that, you can fold a bandsaw blade. But the first thing we need is some protection. If this bandsaw blade decides to explode halfway through me folding it, I'm going to get hurt if it hits me in the face. So, eye protection please, and also the teeth are sharp, so we need some gloves. Now we hold the bandsaw blade at 3 points. The first is at 6 o'clock with my foot, and at 2 o'clock and 10 o'clock with my hands, in the offering position, palms up, fingers away from me, making an offering. And then I grasp it and rotate my wrists inwards. And if I do that, you can see that the top part of the blade comes in towards me. Now, if I stand sideways, you can see that top part coming in. As soon as I start turning my wrists, it comes in like that. But we don't stop there. We keep rotating until we're in the handlebar position. And you can see now that there are 2 loops forming, one on each side. And so from there, we go down, one hand first, and the second hand on top, and it gets folded into 3. And then if we just jiggle it about, they will size themselves, they will sort of equilibrate. If the blade is long enough and flexible enough, we can fold it into 5. And we do this by making 2 loops small, like this, and 1 loop large. And then we simply do the same job all over again. Offering, steering wheel, handlebar. And it's folded into 5. And if we just jiggle it about, again, they just size themselves up. I can put a cable tie around it and then hang it on the wall with the rest. If you don't find bending down quite as easy as you used to, yeah, me too, you can do it standing up in this position rather than down here in this position. And I'm using my vise instead of my foot, but the moves are exactly the same. So that goes loosely in the vise. I don't need to tighten the vise, it just drops in. And I still hold it at 10 and 2. And the only thing you have to be careful of is that you don't hit yourself in the face, because this top piece is going to come towards my face. So keep your nose out of the way. It's the same set of moves, offering, steering wheel, handlebars. And then one goes down and then the other one goes down. And it's folded into 3. And then you can just jiggle it about on the bench and it finds its own size like that. That's how I fold my bandsaw blades. How do you fold yours? Thank you very much for watching. Until the next time, enjoy your workshop. Cheerio!